Dancing a bit.
Yeah, you can't I can tell I like this, right?
Love.
Yeah, tell me what's on your mind.
L-Boogie and Collie Rankson talking about love. Bussin'. Your love is like the ocean, and I am like the sand, responding to your power, a safe place for you to stand. But when the undercurrents come and pull you out to sea, I'm left with shells and slippery rocks where you used to be. And when the sun comes beating down and burns my body dry, it's hard to wait until the tide to quench my thirst, so I cry.
So like love,
I
baby.
cry.
It's a good feeling.
Cry.
Good
Cry. And then at last the sun goes down and bleeds into your sea.
Climax, me and you, climax.
And I can feel your desperate hands all over me, all over me. I dream of you when I know I should. You're hurting me, and you said that you wouldn't. You promised me you wouldn't. You wouldn't. And I said I'd be with you, and now I know I couldn't. And I knew I couldn't.
Touch me, sweetheart, touch me.
This is how we bust rhymes on a flat track. Me and Collie, female refugee, we get down like that.
Natural thing, baby, natural thing. So my artistry brings from the heart, baby,
things from off the top of my head. I bust freestyles instead of memories of the time when I was free, female refugee. That's the way it would be, me and Collie, free to do the things we know at the refugee show. About to do the dance hall until we had a great fall, and that was all. Man and woman, through nature's plan, together as one, from beginning to end.
Definitely meant to be, sweetheart.
Can't no one, only Jah Jah, know how far.